Hey guys, today we'll see a very like commonly used requirement. So basically when you open basically any form, let's consider example of this form, all customers form. So here you see initially the data is sorted based on your account number. And let's say for XYZ reasons you want to, when you open this form, you want to sort your customer you want to solve this particular form based on your customer group, something like this, or maybe like from us, like maybe on the descending order. Okay, so we are going to see how we can modify this. Since this is a string field, the customer group is a string field, so that's why you could see it is picking 1, then it is picking 100, then 30. So based on the, because it is considering this as a string field, so that's why you could see 100 is even here. So we'll see in our example how to sort this automatically whenever you open your all customers form. Okay, so for that, so to tackle this scenario, it would be best to write code on init method. So for that, what we'll do, we'll create an extension of our cust table. So there are two methods. Either you can simply go to forms, you could search for your form. Since there's a cust table form, you could simply create a code extension, or else you manually create a class. So for now I will create a code extension from here. Okay, so now when you open this form, and even let's try to open this form as well. Yes, so let me try to open this form. Okay, so when you open this form, you go to method section here, you see this init method. So we'll be creating a COC of this method only. So here we have already a lot of code. Okay, so let's jump here. So here we'll simply write public void init, and what we'll do, we'll simply do next call here. Okay, so now we'll write code here. So if you will start typing cust table, you see this particular object. Okay, so you can use this object. So when you will type here dot, then you could create here query dot, you could use this function data source table, and here you need to define name of your table. So we want to sort our cust table here, so we'll say cust table. Okay, then I want to sort this field, so I could simply say add sort field. Here I need to specify my field name, so my field name is field name. Here I need to define my table first, so let's say cust table, and I want to sort on customer group here, right? Cust group. So I will close this braces here, and here, and I want to sort this, so I could say sort order, and I want based on descending order. So I will simply close my braces here. Let me try to save and see. Okay, so let me reiterate this one more time here. So basically we want to sort on the descending basis this particular field, so that's why We already know the form name is custable, so we have used init method here. So let's try to build and see. So the build is completed now. Let's go to accounts receivable here. We go to all customers. And here if you see, now by default this field is getting sorted based on descending order. So I will reiterate this one more time here. So whenever you create an extension of your form, so at that time you get this particular data source, okay, and then you can use its query, and you could specify the name of your data source. Here we choose this particular field, and then we need to define here which field we want to sort. So here we simply specified our cus group field. Then we defined here order of sorting. So thank you for watching this video.